Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rick. Thanks for coming today. And I'm just going to give you a brief introduction of who we are as a Canadian manufacturer based out of Quebec called Machitech Automation. We are now actually called the Machitech Group of companies. We started in 2002, just 45 minutes west of Quebec City. And since then, we've got just over 1,800 machines in operation in the field today. So it's a good stroke of luck that we've been able to take over the market for plasma cutting here in Canada, and we are continuing to grow. So just to introduce you to our plasma cutting machines, which is Machitech Automation. You're going to see one here in the front. We also manufacture the HVAC line for Empire, which is at the back, just before the buffet line there. Silvercut, as you can see, comes in 3 different models. It is considered an entry line machine, just like the HVAC model at the back. There's 3 different models. One works with an air-cooled plasma being a Power Max. The Silvercut Pro is a liquid-cooled plasma that can give you high-definition cuts, and the Silvercut HD gives you up to 2-inch max capability cutting, again, multi-gas. The Gold Cut and Diamond Cut. Gold Cut is a bridge and rail type system. It's probably the lowest cost ownership to get into high definition plasma. If you have an existing plasma machine that the water table or downdraft table works just fine, we can build the machine around it, so it saves you the cost of not having to purchase a water table with it or a downdraft table. Or we supply the prints and you can build your own table also. The Diamond Cut is a unitized table. That is our #1 selling machine, simply because we can install the machine in 3 days or less, get you producing high definition parts, 5-axis bevel cutting. It's probably the most well-rounded machine with the most options that you can get on it, including pipe and tube rotators for processing pipe and HSS. Platinum Cut and Titanium Cut, those are our heavy bridge and rail systems. They're floor-mounted rail systems, large heavy-duty tables. Both have drill options. Titanium Cuts, multiple magazine tool, 50 horsepower drill spindle. Again, multi-processing, heavy-duty, built to stand the test of time, large format machines. We have 2 versions of pipe cuts. This pipe cut's obviously larger for the larger sewer water main infrastructure, as well as the pipeliners. And then we also have what's called the Pipe Cut SL, which is for the screw pile industry. It's for ease of use, very common here in the West for screw piles versus back east. Our robotic cutting solutions, which is called Beam Cut. This is for robotically processing all structural steel and HSS, multiple different configurations of in-feed, out-feed, fully automated and fully self-contained. We use our own software, we use our own controller, total ease of use, totally surpasses all of our competition that's in the market that's out there today. This machine replaces 7. Can basically process almost anything heavy fab, structural fab. And then our fiber laser machine, we process tube lasers, fully automated to single manual load, fully automated loading, fully automated unloading, processing. We can do anything from 20 foot up to 50 foot long, and laser is all about high speed, high precision. So here's our dedicated flat plate machine. We have two lines, Pro Series and Prime Series. This is our highest production volume machine, built for 24/7 lights out operation for the most part. This is our Prime Series, again, first time buyer or an HVAC line, just like what we have with the M Pro line on the Silvercut machines. Again, high-speed processing, cost of ownership. You can get into a machine for $300,000 in a fiber laser in today's market. Thank you very much.